Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area. And this video will be covering the Autocad command join. This one is primarily used to join lines or objects together to create a polyline, a P-line of one object. Before that came out, I'm just going to draw some lines here real quick. Close it. When I had all these lines, if I wanted to turn them into uh, one polyline, you actually have to type in p-edit. You would select one of these. It would say, do you want to turn it into a polyline? Yes. Then I would go join, and I would select the rest of them, hit OK twice, and there I would have my one object. Now, AutoCAD has pulled that join out. I've undid this to where they're all lines again, to where it's an extremely simple tool to use. You just type in join, enter, you select them all at once, and you are done. Okay, almost as easy as erasing. Very, very easy to do. So if you ever have a block or an object that you explode, and I cover that in another video, but if I explode this back into individual objects, uh, then I can join them together. Now, understand that the objects have to be touching. Okay, uh, even if they're just a tad off uh, anywhere, you need them to, if you go to join, if I go join and I grab all of these, it's saying here 3 objects converted to one polyline, kind of highlighted here, 2 objects discarded. Okay, so what they're saying is these 3, which are touching, became part of the polyline where these 2 were ignored because they are not touching. The join cannot jump over that space. The only way they can join is to be touching. So if you ever have, let me just undo this real quick. You may have been drawing and just inadvertently, let me turn my O snaps off here. Let me, there you're sitting here and you go to join. Uh, Now granted, these will join, but they didn't close because of this spot right here where there's a gap. If you try to use this for hatching, or if you list it as an area, you won't. If I list it right now, it will give me an area of 906.78. Watch what happens when I close it. It's giving me 906, so actually it's giving the same area. I guess they have fixed that, so I won't use that as an example. Uh, but the join command takes your objects, joins them together, everything that's touching, and will create one polyline. Real nice little tool. Again, it's a shortcut from the old ways. But if you ever go back on an older version of AutoCAD and you type join and nothing happens, then you're going to have to do p-edit. You're going to have to select one of them, turn it into a polyline, then do join and do it that way. Hit enter twice and there you have it. And that concludes this video on join. Thank you.